And here we are at last, gazing upon the mortal remains of the great boat that Noah and his family rowed to safety. Now notice this portion that sticks out here. When the boat came down from above and caught upon those rocks right there that you see in the middle, that tore its way into the heart of the boat, and it pulled the timbers out from under this part of the gunwale. And it, of course, fell out farther than the rest. But this has rib timbers and metal brackets and everything in it to show that it's still a part of the boat. Now you'll notice a hole way at the right top corner. This is where a group that came out here in 1960, they blew holes in the boat with dynamite and then went away and said that it was not a boat. All that is, except for Arthur Brandenburger, the photogrammetry expert, who went away saying it is a boat. Now this area right in front of you here is a site where the 1960 expedition blew a hole with the dynamite, and right in the middle of this is a cast of a rib timber. These gentlemen expected to find a whole lot more out here than just this very disappointing remains. Where the stone that you see in the middle came through the boat under the railing and smashed it in, and as the boat decayed, the railing and all of this dropped down over this. But along these lines are the metal indicators of the remains of the rib timbers. Again, there's way more than enough evidence to show that this is a boat. Now we're giving you a look at the front portion of the boat. For you that have been on a boat, you can't fail to recognize this. Now, as time has gone by, this area of the boat that you're looking at right now has fallen. It's gradually sinking and will slip out into the gully below. While there's enough timbers in this gunwale to support that, but the bottom is falling right out from under it. You'll notice these are two deck timbers that are sticking out, and we got an iron bracket off of this, a right-angled iron bracket. Now we're uncertain as to whether these are cast or petrified timbers, but they are at equal intervals, and right opposite them on the other wall are their counterparts. We'll focus in on 4 of the rib timbers. This area was fractured during the earthquake. We measured the casts that were left and have the dimensions on it, but you can see where the softer material inside the cast eroded down. And with this we leave the boat.